Hey there. I've just solved a problem which I thought was interesting, and maybe you've got something similar you can use this for. So, when I'm doing screencasts, I prefer to share a window versus my entire screen. That way, if there's anything sensitive, I can sort of hide it by just opening a new window. And the other reason is that I've run an ultra wide. So, when I share my entire screen, it sort of comes out funky when I'm trying to upload to YouTube or something else in 1080p. So what I've come across or found, decided to solve this problem, a little Chrome extension called Easy Window Resize, and what it does is it allows you with the keyboard shortcut to change your screen to a particular size. So this now, um, if I just click the keyboard shortcut, this window now is 1080p or 1080. So um, I can go ahead and do that, which I thought was pretty cool. So as you can see now, I'm sharing the window and it's a much better perspective. So that's just a quick little tip that I was pretty happy with myself about. Hopefully it helps you. If it doesn't, I'm sorry I wasted your time.